Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I am teaching you how to use your Snapchat on your computer without Bluestacks. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser in your computer, okay? And you need to use the Google Chrome, okay? Because that feature is just on the Google Chrome, okay? So you need to open your Google Chrome browser that doesn't work in Opera, Opera GX or Firefox, okay? Need to be in the Google Chrome. After that, you just searching for Snapchat web, okay? And after that, you see the first link, Snapchat, now the web. So just click here, waiting some seconds, and after that you see the official site of Snapchat web. So just put your username, your password, and clicking login. Okay, that's it. So I hope I can help you choose the Snapchat on your computer. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya.